So I'm playing around with my Donner Hush 1 guitar. If you saw any of my previous videos on the Donner, I was kind of unhappy with the way the guitar hung on my body. It basically neck dove and it was very difficult to find a good position on it. And what it took was moving the strap pins a very little bit. And I'm going to show you some stills of where I finally put them so you can get an idea yourself whether you might want to try the same thing with your guitar. What I can say is the guitar has gone from something that was awkward to play to now something that's very easy. As I say, it hangs very nicely. Nothing is overly heavy about this guitar. It's a very light guitar, very manageable guitar. And it was just a very minor move. In fact, I only moved one of the positions for the strap to go, and it was on this side. It used to be down at the end where the plug goes in, and what I've done is I've moved it up to here so I can just attach the strap. The other one I left in the same position, believe it or not, but I switched the nature of the strap lock. It's now a locking strap lock, one of the Fender locking ones, and it installed in the same hole, so no big deal. But having it locked let me leave it in the exact same spot, and it seems a little more secure than it was before. So I'm pretty happy with the way everything's come out. Everything plays well. I can play open chords with ease. I can certainly play my bar chords without any problems. Everything about it seems to work really, really nicely, so I'm pretty happy. Take a look at the stills that I've sort of interspersed through this video so you can see what I moved and what I started with. I still have to do a little more work on the action. The action's just a little high, so I'm not quite happy with that yet. But this is really close to being a very nice playing guitar.